Welcome to my project on the Advanced Bus Ticket Management System. The system combines cutting-edge RFID technology, machine learning for passenger counting, and a Flask server to automate ticket validation and improve the boarding process. Basically, I'll walk you through how these components work together to create a seamless, conductor-free experience. For bus ticket management system, the problem statement in general is in many public transport systems, conductors handle ticketing and ensure all passengers have paid. However, this can be inefficient and error prone. My solution automates ticket validation and passenger counting, improving accuracy and making the process faster. The system consists of three main components: RFID reader. In RFID reader, as passengers enter the bus, they tap their RFID tags to validate their entry. Next, ML pod camera. This camera is positioned at the bus entrance to count the number of passengers entering the bus. Next one, Flask server. The Flask server collects the RFID data and camera count. It compares the counts and sends updates to the driver through the Flutter app. Finally, the Flutter app notifies the driver if there's a mismatch between the detected passengers and the RFID tags. Let's jump into the system demonstration. Now let's see the system in action. Here I'll tap the RFID tag as if I'm entering the bus. You'll see that the count is updated instantly in the server. The camera also detects me crossing the entrance, adding to the total count. Here in the Flask server, we see the RFID count and the camera count being collected. The server then pushes the update to the driver's Flutter app, which alerts the driver if the counts do not match. Here we're gonna explain technical explanation. The technical flow behind the system begins with the RFID reader and the camera. The RFID reader captures each passenger tap and sends this data to the Flask server. Simultaneously, the camera uses machine learning to detect the number of people entering the bus and sends this count to the server as well. If the counts don't match, the server sends a notification to the driver through the Flutter app. This way, the driver is always aware if there is an inconsistency. Finally, the overview inference of the smart bus RFID tag system. The system automates passenger validation and improves the accuracy of counting. With RFID and machine learning working together, we can reduce human error and speed up the boarding process. This solution is a step toward making public transport more efficient and reliable, scalable, reducing the need for manual oversight.